Good morning, people in dry land. What do we have here? We have a storm. The ocean, look at this. The water's not that clean anyway. The ocean is coming in. Look at this. This is why I walk. What happened to the beach? Yep, it goes right to the dunes. We're still in Jones Beach. I say we. Who's we? Me, myself, and I. Look at that. Look at that. Look how dirty the ocean is. You see that flotation stuff out there? That brown stuff? Yeah, that's a lot of bacteria. Ocean has got to clean. It won't be clean for a while. They were expecting a big storm. And today is September 14. Look at that. But the water's warm, of course. Am I going in? No. Look at that. Look at that. Holy cow. Now, I love the waves, but the ocean is dirty. Plus, it's rough, people. Got the rip ties, and I'm not ready for that. Well, I just wanted to show you real quick, people in dry land. Look at this. The ocean is coming in all the way to the dunes. I don't know how I'm going to make it walking back. Guess I got to walk up there. To be an adventure. An adventure. Yep, this is the mile marker. We're getting close to the mile marker. Yeah, here we are. A little meditation here for you people. It's spectacular. Watch when those surf comes in, they just pound. There we go, you see that? Oh yeah, here comes another one. And look at the ones in the back. Meditation. Now here comes this one. And I'm over here. There we go. Nice. Look at that, people, dry land. This is the hurricane where they're talking about. The storm. It's getting ready for today, tomorrow. Unbelievable, you see? There we go. You see it's coming in? Still coming in. Let me move over here. I know I'm moving. But this, I'm a beach walker. What do you want? I do the walk. But this is for you guys. Can't make it out here. Yeah, meditation again. Wow. Oh man, still coming in. Yeah, coming in. I'm in it. I'm in it. I like to walk a little further down. But you see the water when it comes back? That's called a rip tie. It just comes around you. See, it comes in here, right here. See where my feet is? See how it turns around? This is just a little rip tie. You go a little further down, that's when you get taken out. But right now, the surf is coming in. Look at that. All right. Holy cow. God bless our America here. The ocean is getting really pissed off. All right. Living heavy. Call it meditation. And here on my left, what do we have here? We got the birds of the sky. These are my buddies over here. Looking for an easy handout. I don't got no grapes, no bread, which I usually have. There we go. Yep, you see how dirty the ocean is back there? All that floating. Can't go swimming. Can't go swimming for a few days until that clears up. Look at that. It stinks when it's when it rains, hurricane, everything turns over. All right, people in dry land, I'm glad you're enjoying this spectacular roughness over here. Yep, that's what it's all about out here. And here we go. This guy's always, no, I got nothing over here. No, go away. I got nothing. Sorry about that. Yep. See, the water's still coming in. Like I showed you before, this whole ocean is going to go all the way up to the dunes. That means I'll be walking up there, which is not too. And I'll be walking in the water. There was a famous person who walked on water. Yes. I believe you people out in dry land know what I'm talking about. It's spectacular. Just walk on water. That's right. I will have to be doing that too. I'll be walking on the water. On my way back, Douglas. All right, people in dry land. This is Bobby Bandana saying another spectacular day in Jones Beach. I'll take another picture later on. 10-4. Over and out. You see the way they're breaking up. They're breaking up. There we go. One more time. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's coming up there. It's coming in. There we go. Hasta la vista, people.